Welcome to day 7 of Eating Healthy for 30 Days Challenge, and I am so happy because I've made it to 1 week. Today's meal is going to be very simple. I'm going to be making some steamed cabbage, some rice, and some baked chicken. And who doesn't love baked chicken? Let's be encouraged to eat healthy, even if it's for just a little while. Because I am feeding 4 persons with this meal, I am using 8 chicken legs that I removed the skin from, and I'm grating some fresh ginger into this. I didn't feel like having the skin today. In goes some fresh seasoning. This is fresh herbs, including onions, and I'm going to add a little bit of garlic in here. A little bit of Cajun seasoning, 1 teaspoon. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of onion powder. I am adding 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon. I'm adding half teaspoon of black pepper. I'm adding a little bit of Trini hot sauce, and I'm adding some salt to taste along with a little bit of fresh thyme. I'm going to mix this up and allow it to rest for 20 minutes, no more than 20 minutes, because this is just a simple meal that is quick, easy. Into my baking dish they go. I'm going to bake these for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, we have beautiful chicken legs. I have in my pot 2 cups of chicken broth. I am adding my wild rice into this. Just give the wild rice a little bit of mixing, and I'm going to season with some salt and some fresh garlic. Cover this up and allow this to cook for 45 minutes on high heat. After 45 minutes, I have a beautiful wild rice side that is high in protein and very high in fiber. To make the steamed cabbage, I am going in with a little bit of olive oil, or if I had coconut oil, I would also use that. I am adding a heaping spoon of garlic, which would be about 2 tablespoons, and I'm just going to saute just to coat in the oil. And now we're going to add 2 sliced onions to this. These are small onions. I'm going to coat them in the oil as well and allow them to just begin to slightly turn brown. In goes some sliced carrots, because I want these carrots to be al dente with a little bit of bite to them. And I'm going in with orange, red, and green bell peppers, of all of which will have a really nice bite to retain all these delicious nutrients. After I've sauteed these for about 3 minutes, I'm adding my cabbage. I've sliced my cabbage very thin, because me personally, I don't like cabbage. But this is the only way I eat cabbage, and it's very encouraging. These past few days I've been eating a lot of cabbage, and I'm encouraged, so I think I will actually keep this up. So we're going to mix in all our vegetables, coat them in the oil, and before they break down, I am going to season them with some black pepper, some dry herb, some garlic powder, some vegetable bouillon, some fresh parsley, some Cajun seasoning. I'm also going to add some salt to this. The majority of the seasonings that I use, they don't have any sodium, because I'm trying to prevent my body from retaining water. I'm going to add a little bit more olive oil to this and some water to create a sauce. I'm only going to add about 1/4 cup to 1/3 of a cup of water. We're going to give it a mix and cover it up for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, this is the final product, a beautiful cabbage dish. So far, my body has been feeling amazing, and I would like to take this time to encourage you. If your body has been speaking to you, please listen. Give your body a break, even if it's for 7 days. Feel as good as you look as good as you feel. And if you enjoyed seeing this recipe, please subscribe, share, and comment below. And thank you to all my viewers and my subscribers. See you in day 8.